We will talk about how to make money online and autopilot in this video, and no matter where you are or who you are, you can make money by typing random content on your computer. I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online with no prior work experience, no technical skills, no social media following, no selling, and no investment required. We will be earning decent amounts of cash using this new method, technology, and platform, which will then result in a passive income stream in the future if we put work into it. But before we can make money, let's set everything up so that it won't be difficult for us to perform the task required to create a new stream of income. Just imagine the possibilities that another income stream can provide. You will be able to meet your wants and needs. You can buy whatever you want, a new car, a house, anything that comes into your mind that you want right now. Not just that, you will also be able to provide for your family, and friends financially. Financial freedom is really the best, and I can't wait for you to achieve it with me. So let's hop onto the video. We will be able to earn money simply by typing online. Keep watching, because I will show you a handful of platforms that can assist us in achieving our aim of creating a passive income stream. There's also a brand new tool that no one has ever discussed. Now here's the first website that we are going to utilize in order to get paid: talentdesire.com. This platform offers a lot of projects and jobs, which includes typing jobs, medical transcription jobs, online tutoring jobs, and the likes. But for today's video, we will just be focusing on online typing jobs. Why? Because aside from typing speed and accuracy, you won't really need to do that much thinking in order to type in what is needed from you, making it an easy way to make money online. To show you that this is legit, let me show you these numbers. You can actually earn these amounts in this particular time frame, which is really good considering the amount of work you are going to do. I mean, you are going to do at least little to no work. The amount of money you make here is approximately equal to your typing speed. These are the amounts for each level from beginner to expert. But before I go any further, I'd like to point you to a suggestion that can help us maximize our earning potential on this site. With that said, let's go to road@type.com. This is an online speed typing test platform that gives free typing certificates. This free certificate will then increase your income rates, as I mentioned in the levels that I showed earlier. This will help you earn in the experts level, so stay tuned. But the catch here is that if you are not able to type that fast, you will need to practice more so that you can earn in the higher levels to continue and earn the certificate. All you have to do now is click on Start Typing Now, which will take you to a typing page that can be used on both phones and computers, where they will rate your typing speed. After you've completed the test, you'll be able to check your personal typing speed, which we'll use to calculate your earning potential on talentdesire.com. Again, if you think you have a low typing speed, you can take this test over and over again because it is free for all, just like Talent Desire. After taking the typing test, you will now have to click on Improve Typing Speed, which will prompt you to register into a new account via Google or Facebook. But if you want to sign up using only your email, you will have to enter the necessary details for them to process your account. These details are your name, email address, and password. Take on the boxes to proceed with the registration, and then click on Sign Up to complete the process. After you log in, you will be redirected to your very own dashboard. What you will do now is practice your typing through the typing practices provided by this platform, which can be seen right here. The typing lessons will explain all the tips and tricks and how to type faster, which will help you earn more money in Talent Desire. Once you are done with all of the typing practices, you can now try again and get your certificate by clicking on this button right here. And all this practice course and certificate are for free. You heard that right, it is all for free. The same certificate that will help you earn big money, not just in Talent Desire, but also in other platforms that offer the same projects related to typing. Once you get the certificate, you will just go back to the first platform, Talent Desire, to sign up. Let me demonstrate to you the process, because the registration process is a bit tricky. The first thing you want to do is click on Get Started here. After that, you will be redirected here on this page and click on this button which says Apply for a Job. Upon clicking, you will need to select an application form, and then select Online Application Form. And finally, after clicking that, click on this button right here, fill in your details to apply and work with this. After all that, you will be redirected to this page where you will provide all the necessary information to register your account. So just input all the required data and register your account. It will require your first and last name, your email address, your contact number. On the resident country option, you will be able to select your legitimate country, since this platform offers all their services to everyone. and anywhere in the world. This is another thing that I love about this website, that it is available for everyone around the globe. Moving forward on the professional information, specifically the preferred job title input, professional data entry specialist. This will make the client think that you are competent enough to do the job to be given. On selecting on what time is best for you, select all day. I am sure this will impress any client of how flexible you are in your working schedule. After that, select your preferred payment method. Just click on this down arrow to see all the options, and lastly on the current position status, just select self-employed. That will provide an impression to the client that you are independent in earning your money. And of course, do not forget to take these boxes right here to complete the registration. After accomplishing your registration, you can just select any typing job you want equivalent to your typing speed and be ready to make money that will gradually improve to become a passive income stream. To cap things off, this is a good opportunity for online money makers. You just need to render your personal time to work on the setting up part of this method in order to make money passively. I mean, you have all the reasons to try out this method because it is available for everyone and anywhere around the world. Make your money now. And that's basically it for this video. Make sure to check out my other videos so that you can learn more about how to work your way up into making money online.